This 2018 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, awning, TV, self-contained, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, TV antenna. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is 12,335 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.